That money sitting in your TikTok shop balance is meant to be spent, and today I'm showing you exactly how to use it to get your next favorite product for free. First, open your TikTok app and head to your profile by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Now look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen, and give that a tap to open the settings menu. Scroll down this menu until you see the option that says Balance. Select it to view your TikTok shop earnings. This screen shows your total available balance once you've confirmed you have funds. Tap the orange Shop Now button to start browsing. Find the product you want to buy just like you normally would when you found it. Tap on it to go to the product page. On the product page, go ahead and select the Buy Now button to proceed to the checkout screen. This is the most important step on the checkout page. Look for the payment method section. You'll see an option to use TikTok shop balance. Make sure you toggle this switch on. As soon as you toggle it on, you'll see the total amount you owe update instantly. If your balance covers the full cost, your total will be 0. Once you've confirmed the discounted total, all that's left is to hit the bright orange Place Order button to complete your purchase using your shop balance. And that's it. You've successfully used your TikTok shop balance. Now you can shop smarter and let your TikTok earnings pay for your next great find.